Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and here are my top 5 Shopify updates from October. Sometimes it's hard to stay on top of all the changes and updates in the Shopify ecosystem. Especially in October, there were a lot of high-level stuff like the vibe coding, agentic commerce, and things like that. But to me, as a Shopify merchant, there were actually also a lot of minor updates, and some of them went a bit off under the radar, which I think is a shame. So here's my top 5. The first one, the increased variant limit, that was already kind of anticipated because it was announced in winter editions last year. So now you can create up to 2048 different variants. The previous limit was only 100, and some merchants were able to hit the limit quite easily, especially if you have multiple variant options. The second one is a new product status. So previously we had active and draft, and now there's a new status called Unlisted, which basically means the product stays accessible at the URL and still customers can purchase it, but it's not visible on your storefront and neither it appears in the store search. So it's very useful for things like special offers, which you want to kind of hide from your storefront, or free gifts, which have a zero price, or products that are out of stock. So you basically can keep them active. Google and all the search engines can access them, but your customers, unless they know the URL, won't be able to purchase them. The third one is related to Shopify Payments. So in some countries, Shopify Payments contain so-called local payment methods, which means you can enable locally popular payment methods like Klarna, Ideal, Blik, Relevy, and so on. Why I like it is that previously, if you wanted some of those local payments, you need to integrate and create an account with another payment gateway like Molly. But now, if you are in France, you can enable any of these payment methods just by switching the option in your Shopify admin, which makes the process significantly easier. And I expect this to be kind of rolling out to other countries as well. The fourth update is related to markets and pricing. Previously, you cannot update the compare at price from your Shopify admin. You need to export and import the CSV file, but now you can easily change the compare at price directly in your Shopify product catalog. And the last one is related to bot traffic. In August, I wrote quite a popular article on our blog about the bot traffic. So sometimes when you open the real-time report, you could see a lot of sessions from Iowa Council Bluffs, which after some digging, I discovered these are Google bots testing the speed of your Shopify store. And the disadvantage was that these sessions can significantly skew your analytics. So Shopify now added a filter, which is called human or bot, and you can easily filter out bot traffic just by unchecking the option. Thanks much for watching, and I hope you find these updates as useful as I do.